Welcome back, everyone, to Pontos, Fathom, Hobbies. This is our unboxing review. I like to think of this as like a painting preparation video. We got the Neutral Heroes 2 box on the table. This one's a pretty cool one. I picked it from basically 4 characters that I just liked, but I thought we'd do an unboxing of it and looking forward to painting it. Right off the bat, we see Brienne of Tarth. Neutral Heroes 2, it says mercenaries, thieves, lords, and a banker round out the neutral parties in the War of the Five Kings. They're an eclectic bunch, but with one thing in common: service to the most deserving party. Lord Walder Frey's shifting loyalties are well known, while the sellswords Bronn and Daario Naharis will pledge their blade to the highest bidder. Brienne of Tarth cannot be bought, but has battled alongside every faction, while the thief Jaqen will serve only himself and the Faceless Man. Vargo Hoth's vile company will happily kill for coin, and it could be argued that Tycho Nestoris of the Iron Bank of Bravos will do the same. So it says, in contents are 7 miniatures, 23 cards, 8 attachment cards, 12 tactic cards, and 3 NCU cards. Walder Frey, Vargo Hoth, Nacho Nestoris, Bronn, Brienne of Tarth, Jaqen, and Daario Naharis. Yeah, so let's get into this. This is going to be quite a cast of characters to paint. One thing is for sure is the box art is real awesome, and we'll probably follow some of this for the painting palette like I usually do. Let's get into these. I haven't bagged the cards yet. Vargo Hoth, Brienne of Tarth. I like the way she's got the green cloak there. Bronn, and that fits with Renly. When we do the High Tower Pikemen, it'll probably be a similar green. We've got Bronn here, Daario Naharis, Vargo Hoth. Oh, I think these are just flipped. So if I flip these this way, yeah, that's right. So here's Daario Naharis. That's a pretty cool looking card. It's a cool setup. Jaqen and a full body one. It's clever. Vargo Hoth, Daario Naharis, Jaqen again, and Tycho Nestoris. That's definitely a bizarre color schema there, yellow and purple. And then Walder Frey, monstrous Walder Frey, the Red Wedding fame. Okay, that's cool. Let's get into the character cards and let's go check out the minis. Okay, before we jump into these minis, quick shout out to this channel's sponsor, Pontos Fathom Press. We've got the Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga by William Mitchell. This is a hardcover collection of Dune essays, Dune fan fiction essays, all around Jungian alchemy and Steiner's anthroposophy as potential influences to Frank Herbert's Dune Saga. We also tap into things like Samuel Butler's work, not only on thinking machines, but on genetic memory, where maybe Frank Herbert got a lot of his concepts for the Bene Gesserit and the Tlilaxu and the Ixians, and even the Butlerian Jihad is similarly named. So that's this book. You can check it out on our bookstore link below. And as usual, Katu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, the 2023 Omnibus Grimoire featuring the double trilogies of August Moldenhauer's Katu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, Genealogy of Cthulhu, Psychoanalysis of Aurelia, Archaeology of Yog-Sothoth, and Giuseppe Balsamo's Disclosure from the Necronomicon fragment with Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, Hermeticism of Hastur, and the Alchemy of Azathoth. This book's got a little bit of everything in it. Would look great on your shelf. Both of these would make awesome gifts to a bibliophile friend or to yourself. So treat yourself. And liking and subscribing helps grow the channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Ring the bell, follow us. You'll get notified for our upcoming gameplay with Tainted Grail, The Fall of Avalon. We'll be playing that starting. We've got a season out already. We'll be playing some more jumping into January 2024. So look forward to that. And as usual, thanks to our Patreons and subscribers. You guys help to support everything here, so we wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, let's go on to the cards. I'm going to kind of show these off by each character. So let's start out with Brienne of Tarth. I like her position already. Look, check this out. She's got the sword. She's got the sword sort of in the sizing up the enemy here. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. Look at that. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll check her out. I like the cloak. It's got some good straps, some bits of plate, partial plate on her. Quite heroic. I like her stance. Looks cool. Next up, we'll grab Braun. This is going to be Braun right here. This looks like Braun, quilted cloak, open stance, hacking with the sword. It's pretty cool. Next up, so Brienne has the knightly vow and stalwart, and Braun has loyalty through coin and motivated by coin because he's a sellsword. Let's go ahead and look at Daario Naharis next, the reckless mercenary. We've got him as the reckless mercenary here. Let's kind of zoom in on this. Hold on a second here. I don't know why we keep losing that background. Let's do it like this. And that. Look at that. Looks nice. Daario Naharis, he has reckless strikes as well. Yeah, so he's looking pretty casual. Faceless man, fame. Let's go on to the next one. A few of his cards. This is Vargo Hoat. Vargo Hoat here has got that was not Dahari. That was not Jaqen Hagar. Jaqen Hagar has. I showed you the card for Daario Naharis. Jaqen Hagar has order, taking a new name as the unnamed. Jaqen Hagar, and then going to Daario Naharis here. This is Daario Naharis. Sorry guys, I showed you the wrong card. Here's Daario Naharis, and it's got affiliations with the Stormcrows. Got him with a beard here. That's kind of cool. Bearded. He's got the short sword. He's got that curved sword, the Dothraki looking sword. It's kind of cool. That'll be fun to paint. Next up, we're going to go with Vargo Hoat. Vargo Hoat here. He's got the Goat of Harrenhal. The Bloody Mummers. Put this here like this. And we can zoom in like that. There he is. Look at that. Nice sculpt. Got some fur on the cloak. Some high boots. Holding the sword casual. That looks pretty cool. Next up, we've got this Tycho Nestoris figure. This is going to be a fun one to paint. Pretty crazy colors here. Do a little zoom in on this one too. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, he's got the fur on the back. You can see that white fur in the photo. This card also comes backing of the Iron Bank. He's got the backing of the Iron Bank specialty. Once per turn, at the start of your turn, you may restore 5 wounds. Wow, that's cool. That's going to be powerful, putting him in there. So as for such an odd-looking character, he's got a pretty powerful recovery. And then finally, Walder Frey, Lord of the Crossing. He's got the late Walder Frey. Zoom in on him. Comes in his chair. That's great. He's just like there at the red wedding feast, sizing up Robb Stark's wife, laying his evil plans. It's pretty cool. So that's going to do it, guys. I'll going to get these back in the box, and we'll plan a painting video for these. So thanks a lot for watching. You can check one of our videos up ahead. If you ring the bell and subscribe, you can get notified when we get these on the board. I'll probably be doing a poll in the community section. So if you guys want to chime in on the poll, go check that out for the next game that we're going to play. You can also leave a comment. I think we've done Stark versus Lannister. We've done Baratheon versus Greyjoy, Targaryen versus Baratheon. So let us know what you'd like to see us play. And we've got Free Folk, we've got the Night's Watch, we've got Baratheon, Greyjoy, Stark, and Lannister armies ready to go. I'm also going to be trying to pick up the Boltons and the Martells. I don't have those yet, so I'd like to get those painted as well. So ring the bell and you can see the videos. And actually, if you go down to our links below, or go to our website, you can see all of our Song of Ice and Fire miniature paint through videos. Oh, by the way, we're going to be starting a new series starting in 2024. It's going to be called like a miniature makeover series. So I've done a lot of these speed paints. What I'd like to do is sort of switch things up a bit and go back through some of my speed paints just to get things tabletop ready, and maybe try my hand at upgrading my painting styles. So we're going to take a kind of I think it should be pretty fun. I got some ideas for it, but the general idea would be, let's kind of make fun a bit of my amateurish painting versions, and then we'll try to paint them a little bit better in a new version. So if you're interested, like and subscribe. That should be pretty fun. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.